Double-barrel shotguns have always been popular for their unmatched performance and reliability. Many of these combine classic elegance with modern innovations, making them a top choice for shotgun enthusiasts in 2024. Eager to know the top picks of this year? Stay with us until the end of this video to explore the best double-barrel shotguns of 2024 that are perfect for every need and budget. Number 7. Taylor's & Company Hammer Coach Gun. Are you a keen enthusiast of vintage weapons and want to add one to your firearm collection? Look no further than the Taylor's & Co. Hammer Coach Gun that captures the essence of the Old West with its external hammers and side-by-side double-barrel configuration, giving it a classic appearance. The external hammers contribute to firearm safety and provide a manual means to cock the firing mechanism of the weapon. Available in 12 gauge, it is versatile for various shooting activities. It also includes a pistol grip stock with laser checkering, providing a secure and comfortable grip for the shooter. The blued steel barrels come in 20 inches, making them compact and easy to maneuver in close quarters. The shotgun features double triggers, allowing the shooter to choose which barrel to fire first. Whether you want to use it for shooting adventures or add it to your collection, the Taylor's & Co. Hammer Coach Gun delivers both performance and style. Number 6. Winchester Model 101 Ultimate Sporting. Do you spend long hours in the field and end up getting exhausted while shooting hundreds of rounds? No worries. The Winchester Model 101 Ultimate Sport keeps you on target throughout the day while making you feel much less fatigued than you would with a different shotgun. Its low-profile receiver helps manage recoil and muzzle flip, enhancing quick shooting needs for faster follow-up shots. Equipped with a Pachmayr decelerator recoil pad that absorbs much of a recoil, it helps in making each shot more comfortable while reducing shoulder fatigue. The checkering on a walnut stock not only looks elegant, but provides a secure grip even if your hands start to sweat on longer days on the range. The 742 backboard barrels reduce shot deformation and promote uniform shot patterns while increasing the likelihood of hitting the targets. The chrome-plated surfaces make the task of cleaning much easier after a long day in the field, which allows you to quickly clean your firearm and get it ready for the next use. With Winchester Model 101 Ultimate Sporting, make your extended shooting adventures more enjoyable rather than exhausting while staying on target throughout the day. Number 5. Browning Satori 725 Feather. The Browning Satori 725 Feather is the lightest over and under shotgun you will ever come across. Its lightweight attributes give you a feather-like feel. The Satori 725 Feather is made with the same low-profile receiver as other Satori models, but with a different construction. It features an aluminum alloy receiver, which is lighter than the traditional steel used in other shotguns, making it easier to handle. The resulting shotgun is a Satori 725 Feather, which is 13 ounces less than other Satori models. The shotgun features a high-grade walnut stock with an oil finish, which provides a classic look and comfortable grip. The engravings on the receiver depict intricate designs, such as floral patterns and scrollwork, that enhance the shotgun's aesthetic appeal. Being a lightweight shotgun doesn't mean compromising on performance and durability. The Browning Satori 725 Feather, with its lightweight design, remains a top choice for all kinds of shooters. Number 4. Franchi Instinct SL. Who doesn't want a quick and responsive weapon when it comes to fast-flying birds? Of course, we all do. The Franchi Instinct SL proves to be an unbeatable weapon with its quick responsiveness and accuracy. Being a lightweight and maneuverable over-under shotgun weighing only 5.8 pounds, it is well suited for this purpose. The lightweight construction of this firearm allows for quick handling, which is ideal for your hunting adventures and ensures day-long comfort. The aluminum receiver reduces the overall weight of a shotgun, making it easy to carry for extended shooting sessions. The barrels are designed to be lightweight without compromising on performance. Not only is the weapon ideal in performance, but it is also a perfect piece due to its aesthetic details. When you look at the underside of the shotgun, you will find an engraved Franchi logo with a beautiful gold Franchi F crafted on a trigger guard. The shotgun includes a color case hardened receiver that is corrosion resistant and adds strength with engraving on it that enhances the overall visuals of the firearm. The ventilated rib comes with a fiber optic front sight with improved visibility for easy target acquisition. Besides these, it features a walnut stock that enhances durability as well as aesthetics, interchangeable chokes, auto ejectors, and all other features that an over-under shotgun has. With Instinct SL by your side, you can confidently take on any target while ensuring your shots don't miss the mark. Number 3. Benelli 828U. Benelli 828U is a perfect blend of innovation and performance with its advanced features that enhance the shooter's experience in the field. The shotgun is made with more focus on its weight distribution, which uses a combination of small weights in the rear portion of the stock. You can add or remove the weights to make the center balanced as per your shooting needs. The progressive comfort system is integrated within the walnut stock of the Benelli 828U that utilizes a series of flexible polymer buffers to absorb energy upon firing. This feature enhances shooter comfort, especially during long shooting sessions when heavier loads are used. The shotgun also features a unique steel locking plate mechanism with a steel receiver, which contributes to the shotgun's durability by preventing wear and tear on the receiver. The barrels undergo a cryogenic treatment that results in increased pattern density and enhanced barrel longevity. It comes in 30 or 32 inches and is designed specifically for sporting clays. The shotgun includes an adjustable trigger that can be moved forward for better finger placement. Benelli's 828U winning features are certainly worth trying. Number 2. TriStar Hunter Mag 2. Are you looking for a reliable firearm that can handle a variety of hunting scenarios, and that too at an affordable price point? The Hunter Mag 2 offers a perfect balance of performance and affordability, making it accessible to a wide range of shooters. It is one of the most durable firearms that comes with a solid frame to increase strength, injection molded stock, and a forearm for increased durability. Chambered for 3.5 inches shells, the shotgun is suitable for various shooting scenarios. The shotgun is appealing with a mossy oak duck blind camouflage pattern. Tired of cleaning and maintaining the firearm again and again? TriStar Hunter Mag 2 comes with an amazing feature of sealed actions, which keeps the dirt out and prevents it from entering the internal components while reducing the need for frequent cleaning. The barrels are constructed from a single block of steel and include self-adjusting locking lugs that ensure a secure lockup between the barrel and the action for safety and accuracy. The fiber optic sights on top of the ventilated rib allow for easy and quick target acquisition when you engage with flying birds. The TriStar Hunter Mag 2 makes sure to serve all your needs without breaking the bank. Number 1. CZ Bobwhite G2. Now, we have something exciting in the double barrel shotguns list. Any guesses what it is? It's CZ Bobwhite G2. This side-by-side shotgun is produced by CZ USA and is designed for hunting and sports shooting. What makes this gun stand out from other double barrel shotguns? Why is it one of the favorites among shotgun enthusiasts? Because CZ Bobwhite includes modern features while maintaining a traditional look. The firearm is equipped with a double trigger system where each trigger is linked to one barrel. The G2 shotgun comes in 12, 20, and 28 gauges. The 28 gauge shotgun provides a light feel suitable for long hunts. It also features interchangeable chokes, which allows the shooter to customize the shot pattern for different scenarios. If you are looking for an affordable yet stylish double barrel shotgun, the CZ Bobwhite might be your perfect match. It's simple and easy to use with its straightforward design, even for those new to side-by-side shotguns. Elevate your shooting experience with our top picks of double-barrel shotguns that offer unique features catering to different shooting preferences. After all, your perfect shot is just a trigger pull away. That's it for today. Which one of these will be your next purchase in 2024? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Take care and see you.